The sfc scannow command is one of the several specific switches available in the sfc command, the command prompt utility invoking system file checker. While there are plenty of different things you can do with the command, sfc scannow is the most common way that the sfc command is used.
The sfc scannow command will scan all protected system files, and replace corrupted files with a cached copy that is located in a compressed folder at %windir %system32 DLL cache. This means that you do not have any missing or corrupted system files. If you use this command, your computer will become more faster. Click below button to stay with us. Move mouse over the Windows icon and click right button or press Windows +X and open Command Promote as administrator. Type the following command and then press enter. System File Checker will now verify the integrity of every protected operating system file on your computer. It might take a while to finish. You will see something like this if no problems were found, and if found, they will be solved. Restart your computer if sfc scannow repaired files. System File Checker may or may not prompt you to restart, but even if it doesn't, you should restart anyway. Repeat whatever process caused your original problem to see if sfc scannow resolved it.